Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create this shape filling up animation on CapCut PC. So go to library and select the white stock video. If it isn't long enough, just freeze frame it. I'm just going to leave it like that. Then you're going to select mask and you're going to select any shape that you want. I'm just going to select this heart shape, the star shape for an example, and I'm just going to use this yellow image here. I'm also going to select the star and I'm just going to try to make it as close to the other mask as possible. Then I'm going to right click, create compound clip on the second video. Let's select horizontal and we're going to rotate it 180 degrees. And we're going to put it down here, add a keyframe, and we're going to add a keyframe. And we're going to move this on top. And that's it. If it's not long enough, you can definitely move it so it's longer, and you can move the keyframe. Oh wait, you have to do it before you compound clip, so make sure you do that first. But yeah, that is essentially it. You can also do this with text as well, by the way. I'm just going to leave it like that. Copy and paste, right click, create compound clip, and then actually make sure you change the color first. And I'm just going to use another font. Right click, create compound clip once you have changed the color. And then you can go to mask and select horizontal, and you're just going to essentially do the same exact thing. You can do it from left to right or from down to up. It's totally up to you. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!